Hello kids, welcome to another class. This is lesson 12, where you'll be learning how to recognize that equal parts of an identical rectangle can have different shapes. I repeat that equal parts of an identical rectangle can have different shapes. As usual, you're going to be doing this using the place value chart. Doing what? Addition with renaming. 123 plus 189. This is 195 plus 235. 212 plus 189. 341 plus 279. 454 plus 378. Okay, now to our application problem. Tugu made 2 pizzas for himself and his 5 friends to share. So, how many of them are sharing pizzas now? Tugu and his 5 friends. There are 6. So, 6 of them are to share 5. Are to share what? 2 pizzas. So, he wants everyone to have an equal share of the pizza. Should he cut it into halves, thirds, or fourths? That's, should he cut pizzas into halves, thirds, or fourths? Now, this is a pizza, for example, another pizza. Now, let's see. Wow, that's 3, right? 4, 5, 6. So now we have pizzas for everybody, right? There are 6 of them. So how many will you cut into? How many parts? Thirds. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So he's to cut these pizzas in thirds, into thirds, right? This is a whole square. And how do we come up and partition or divide the square into halves? So 2 halves make a whole. Now here's another square of the same size. Watch. Let's watch as we partition to halves. Now using your geoboard, use bands to create squares. Meaning you can do this in class using what? A pencil also to create what? Squares. Big ones and small ones. Then you do these squares. After writing your squares, what do? You divide these different squares into halves to show 2 halves. Do also to show fourths. You split your square into 4 places, equal places, fourths. Are all your fourths the same shape? You can pause this video, get a pen or a pencil, draw, and see if all your fourths are the same, if they have same shape. Now look at this problem here. Problem 1 of our lesson 12. We have 2 halves. So we're going to partition this in different ways to show equals. This could be diagonally from this top to this top, or like this, the middle of this, to show what? Halves. Same for thirds and for fourths. So we're going to use squares to show halves in 2 different ways. And we can also use squares of the same size, right? Now, let's see what we have here. I want to show you if each of these squares is divided into halves. 2 equal pieces of equal size squares. Now, these are halves, right? This is also another half. So you can do your half in different dimensions, right? Different patterns. They are both, the pink and the black is both halves, right? Now what do you notice? This is cut diagonally and this is cut from the side. Now do these pieces show half of the same size? Yes. Even though they are different shapes. So these are the activities, interesting activity you'll be doing in class. Different sizes, but they are same house. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Our lesson 13 problem set.